Hello friends, welcome to Kiddie Bank.
Hello children, let's learn about more shelters. Birds love to fly and they make homes by themselves. Their shelter is called nest. Few birds make holes in the tree trunk and lives there. Bats are very special birds. They live in dark places like caves. These are other different kinds of nests. Honeybees are insects which live in hives. They are made of beeswax. Ants are tiny and therefore their homes too are tiny, called ant hills. Spiders live in very unique home and they live in web made of sticky saliva. Mosquitoes are very dangerous insects and they live in dirty and stagnant water. Snakes lives in holes under rock spaces, trees and water. Fishes lives in water and cannot live without water. Crocodiles live on land and in water as well. Seals live by sea levels and they can breathe both in water and outside water. Polar bears live in very cold places and they cannot live outside icy lands. Many other animals and shelters are there. Move out and explore by yourself. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel Kiddie Bank.